video hopes to give additional knowledge about the Vice President. Maybe, well just maybe, you only know of the tag on the Vice President as a spare tire, so to speak, which means a person waiting for the President to resign or to die among others so that he can succeed him. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button south of this video if you are not yet subscribed. Let us start. Section 3, Article 7 of the 1987 Constitution provides that there shall be a Vice President who shall have the same qualifications, term of office, and be elected with and in the same manner as a President. He may be removed from office in the same manner as a President. Okay, since it was said that the Vice President has the same qualifications and term of office, etc. as the President, let us look at the pertinent provisions of the Constitution to guide us on this. First, on the qualification. It says in Section 3 of the same article that no person may be a president unless he is a natural-born citizen of the Philippines, a registered voter, able to read and write, at least 40 years of age on the day of the election, and a resident of the Philippines for at least 10 years immediately preceding the day of the election. So basically, the person who would like to run for vice presidency should also possess these qualifications. Second, on the manner of election and term of office. Section 4. The President and Vice President are elected by direct vote of the people for a term of 6 years. Just like the President, the Vice President may be removed from office on impeachment for and in conviction of culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, or betrayal of public trust. The President is allowed under the Constitution to serve for 2 terms, of course, provided that he will be re-elected by the people to the same office. This is not possible, however, for the President, because the President is good only for 1 term. The President may be appointed as member of the Cabinet. Such appointment requires no confirmation. In the case of the incumbent Vice President Leni Robredo, she was appointed as co-chairperson of the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or PDEA. The reason behind the appointment of Vice President as a member of the Cabinet is to keep him busy or to prevent him from being inactive during his incumbency, because the Constitution is silent as to the specific role of the Vice President other than the aspect of succession. However, whether or not the President will appoint him to a cabinet position is an option of the President and not a demandable right for the Vice President. With regard to the aspect of succession, you can read sections 7 and 8 of Article 7 of the Constitution. The topic is too long for me to discuss it here, since I am allotting only 2 to 5 minutes for each video. Going back, what if suddenly the post of the Vice President becomes vacant during the term for which he was elected? The answer is in Section 9 of the same article. The President will nominate a Vice President from among the members of the Cabinet, members of the Senate, and the House of Representatives. The nomination should be confirmed by majority of all members of both houses, meaning the Senate and the House of Representatives, and they should vote separately, meaning one majority from the Senate and another majority from the House. I will give an actual case on this, and I'm referring to that of former Vice President Arroyo, who after her elevation to the presidency because of EDSA Revolution or EDSA DOS that overthrew the government of President Estrada, the office of the Vice President became vacant. As then President, she appointed former Senator Teopisto Ginlona Jr. as her Vice President. Please share the information to your friends. Click the share button. Thank you.